Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because it's finally time to harvest our onions. After months of planting, watering, weeding, and patiently waiting, the onions have reached maturity and I can't wait to see what we've grown this season. One of the signs that onions are ready for harvest is when the tops naturally fall over and begin to dry. That's exactly what we're seeing here. At this stage, the bulbs have finished growing and are ready to be lifted from the soil. As I gently pull each onion from the ground, it's always a surprise to see what's underneath. Some are beautifully round and large, while others are smaller, but every single one is a reward for the time and care that went into growing them. We're harvesting a lovely mix of golden onions and red onions. I enjoy growing both because they each have their own flavor and are useful in different recipes. Golden onions are perfect for soups, stews, curries, and roasting, while red onions are great in salads, sandwiches, and fresh dishes. One thing I always try to do is harvest on a dry day. Dry weather helps the onions begin curing straight away and reduces the risk of rot during storage. After lifting them from the soil, I leave the onions on the surface of the bed so they can dry naturally in the sunshine. This curing process allows the outer skins to become papery and helps seal the neck of the onion, which is essential for long-term storage. Depending on the weather, curing can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks. If rain is expected, it's better to move them to a well-ventilated greenhouse, shed, or covered area to finish drying. Growing onions has been one of the most rewarding crops on the allotment this year. They don't demand a lot of attention, but they do require patience. Watching them develop from tiny sets into full-size bulbs is incredibly satisfying. Here, I'm checking each onion, ensuring they are dry enough and ready for storage. Moments like these remind me why I love growing my own food. There's nothing quite like harvesting produce you've nurtured from the very beginning. Once the onions are fully cured, I'll trim off the roots, cut the dried tops, or braid them together before storing them somewhere cool, dry, and well ventilated. Properly cured onions can last for several months, meaning we'll have homegrown onions available long after the growing season has ended. There are a few different sizes in this harvest, and that's completely normal. Weather, spacing, watering, and even the variety you grow can all affect the final size of the bulbs. Regardless of size, every onion will be put to good use in our kitchen. Before you go, I would like to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been watching, liking, commenting, and supporting my channel. Every view and every kind comment means more than you know. If you're enjoying these gardening and cooking videos, please tap the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow, and I truly appreciate every one of you. Thank you. If you enjoyed today's harvest, please give this video a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more gardening, harvest, and delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening and take care.